Hello everyone, this is the first part of my ZBLL algorithm series. The set I'll be covering in this first video is 2GLL, where the corners and OLL can be solved with just R and U moves. And these two corners are the same, and so are these two. The first case from the subset is just two twisted corners, here and here. You can recognize from big block going all the way around here. The execution is very easy. I do U prime, and then soon, and then left soon. And that just solves it. The AUF recognition is very easy. This block here just stays where it is. So say I had it here, this is gonna stay the same, so I have to do a U2 to get blue to blue. It can be helpful for this case to be able to recognize from here or from here, because you can also do left soon from here. The next two cases are mirrors of each other. They have this T-perm pattern. The first one has the pattern of the block on the right. The second one has it on the left side, not the right. So AUF is pretty easy for this one. The T-perm block on the right, this corner sticker is going to just move to the side. So here, there'd be no AUF. So what you're going to do is just do left anti-soon, U prime, left soon. That gives you no AUF. The next one is just the mirror of it, block on the right over here. So when the block is on the right, you start with right anti-soon. And this sticker here is going to go here. So like in this case, it's going to be a U AUF. So to execute it, you just do anti-soon, U, soon, and AUF. These next two cases are also mirrors of each other. For the first one, you have a Z-perm pattern where these two are adjacent, and these match, and these match. So for this one you have it on the right, this one you have the pattern on the left here. For the right, AUF is quite easy. This piece here is just going to stay where it is. The algorithm goes like this: right anti-soon, canceled into back, right anti-soon. And similarly, for the mirror, you have the Z-perm on the left side. This piece is going to stay where it is, so it's going to be U AUF. For this, you do left anti-soon here, and then cancel into back left anti-soon. The next two cases have a big bar here, and either opposite pieces here, or adjacent pieces here. So when you have opposite pieces here, you want to put them in the front like this to start the algorithm. If there's adjacent, you do put these in the back, so you have opposite in front. For this one, you put the opposite in the front here, and you see this corner, the color here, will go down to here. So there's going to be no AUF in this case. When you have the opposite in the front, you do soon, left soon in this case, then U, left anti-soon. The other case is very similar. You have adjacent here, you put the opposite in the front, and this one is going to go down here. So if you had it here, this orange would go here, and you do a U. So you do soon here, U prime, anti-soon, and U, done. The remaining cases have actual algorithms for them, and you unfortunately can't do soon anti-soon. This next case has all opposite, these two being opposite, these two opposite, these two opposite, so it looks like an H-perm from here. The algorithm you do is U2, and here you recognize AUF. See that this is going to turn opposite, so it's going to turn red, so it's going to be a U. For the algorithm, you basically break up this pair do U2, set it up like this. You take this pair out, so these two get paired up. Insert these two here, and insert this in the back, and you have AUF. The next two cases have a small bar on the side and adjacent pieces here. So you have this one with the bar on the right and adjacent here. And on this one, you have the bar on the left. So to start with bar on the right, put the bar in the front like this. And AUF, you're gonna recognize that this bar is gonna turn into its opposite color. So it's gonna turn into orange. So there's gonna be no AUF. For the actual algorithm, you start doing soon, then cancel into doing another soon, and you take this pair out of the back, insert this pair in the front, and insert this pair in the back. So it's pretty much two soons canceled into the pi LL. This next one, it's just the same thing but on the left side. So you're gonna put the bar in the front like this, AUF, this turns opposite, so it's gonna be green, so it's U2 AUF. The algorithm goes the same, just on the right side. So you start soon into another soon. You take this pair out, insert this pair, and insert this pair in the back, and U2. The final two cases of this set look pretty nondescript and are kind of tough to recognize. The first one has these two in front being adjacent and these two on the side being opposite on the right side. And then the other one has these two in the front being adjacent and these two being opposite. You could also recognize that these two are adjacent, these two are adjacent, and these two are the same if you don't want to have to look over here. But that is a little bit tougher. So when you have opposite on the right, you're going to put it in the back. To recognize AUF, you're going to look at this piece specifically here. It's going to turn into the opposite color. So it's going to turn into red, so you're going to have U prime AUF. The algorithm goes like this. You take out this pair, and instead of just doing R prime, you do R2. Put this pair over it, do another R2. U prime, and you're going to insert this in the back, like that, and just insert this in the front, AUF. The other case has the opposite here on the left, so you're going to put the opposite in the back, and AUF, this is going to turn opposite, so it's going to be green, it's going to be U AUF. So for this alg, you take out this pair, do an L2, put this on top, L2, you insert this in the back, and then insert this in the front, and AUF. Thanks for watching this TZBL 2GLL video. The rest of TZBL will be coming out shortly as I continue to learn them. Thanks for watching.